This old bush machete handle's cracked, broken. It's only made out of plastic. Need to restore the blade and see if I can make a new handle out of these two wooden alder blocks that I've cut. This is what it looks like now. I'll take a video of it, what it looks like later. So there are the two pieces that I split apart, and now I'm going to carve those up, get that twisted in there a little bit. I got it with the grain so it doesn't crack. And let's see what happens. So far, it's coming out better. I got a long ways to go yet on getting this to where it needs to go. But I swear I'm enjoying myself doing it. Stay tuned.